Hey guys, Henry from Adventure Air here. We're here at Oshkosh 2024 and we're at the Pilot Communications booth with the owner, Par Akrati, and this is Cyrus Akrati. And guys, why don't you tell us about what new great headsets that you have here this year?
This year we introduced the Pro Max A&R, which is a lowest cost A&R headset for us. Obviously our flagship is the carbon fiber A1 headset. Both of them have a Bluetooth capability with a lot of the features that is unknown to the other companies.
Cool, cool. So don't go buy a Bose when you can get this model for $499 retail, and this one is $699 retail. This one is crazy light too as well. But if you're here at the show, come by and you get a special discount, don't you?
Yes, we have a $50 discount on this particular headset, the Pro Max, and then $50 on an A1 carbon headset.
So guys, and you know how much the crazy Bose are. They're like $1,200, $1,400. These are $1,300.
Yeah.
These are incredible headsets that are as good, if not better than the Bose, and they're so much cheaper. So come by Pilot Communications, one of the biggest headset companies in the world, and check out these headsets. I know you're gonna love them.
Also, we have a promotion. If you are not in the Oshkosh and you call us all the way to the end of this month, we will give you the promotion with no question.
Wow. Try these headsets out. They are awesome. Cyrus, what do you say?
Have a great Oshkosh, and we're glad to be here. Also, a couple things is, it's got 2 AA batteries to power the noise canceling, but we have that USB power input that can actually power the A&R of the headset without using the AA batteries. And also a record out feature for a lot of the influencers out there and people who want to record on a GoPro camera. You can actually record out directly from here as well. So that's a very well feature that you don't really see a lot in any headsets today. So definitely worth checking out, and we'll be here till Sunday. So come on and swing by.
Cool. We're in the A building here, Pilot Communications in the A building here at Oshkosh.
Yep.
All right. Hey guys, Henry from Adventure Air here, and we are here at Oshkosh 2024 with Herbie Lewis of ELA Gyroplanes. And Herbie, what is the new exciting gyro thing we have going now?
Well, this is the new gyro that we got that you know very well about now too. It's the ELA 10 Eclipse Revo. It's the only mass-produced vertical takeoff gyrocopter in the world.
Yes, you guys probably saw a video I just put out on helicopters versus gyroplanes about a week ago, and I did feature this one. It's the one that does the jump takeoff, and it's really awesome. So how have people been liking this thing?
Everybody loves the concept of it because now, it's 90% the fun of a helicopter, 10% of the cost. So
We love that.
that's what makes it a lot of fun.
Very cool.
So-
And what is the price of this guy?
This one's gonna be $235 if you buy it at the show, and then $240 anywhere else.
$235 at the show. You're saving $5,000. Come by the ELA booth here at Oshkosh 2024 and put your order in for one of these new gyros. They are awesome. Anything else, Herbie?
That's it.
Cool. All right, guys. We'll see you next time. See ya. Aviation Soul, who make the Aviation Challenge coins, and this is the owner, Alan. So how you doing today?
Doing well. How are you?
Good, good, good. So why don't you tell us about what you got going on here?
So my dad was a Navy guy, and military tradition with challenge coins is everybody has a coin to kind of signify their rating or their rank, or it would be an honor to receive a coin from a 3-star general or something like that. And with that, I took the idea of the challenge coins and made it for each of the different ratings and endorsements and all the things that you can achieve as your flying career, right? So flying solo, private pilot, instrument pilot, commercial pilot, all the way on up to ATP, kind of celebrate those different milestones in the tradition. So we've had a lot of instructors come through. They buy 10 packs for their students to get solo coins when they do their solo, or a private pilot coin when they get their ticket, stuff like that to kind of signify that and make it a little bit more meaningful for the students as they progress.
That sounds great. All right, so on this, the coin deal, so I've heard if you get into a group of people with coins, and one guy throws a coin down, what happens there?
So that would be the coin check, where you're at the bar and everybody throws down the coin, and the guy who doesn't have the coin's got to buy the round for everybody else.
I like that. That's awesome. And look at this, as you know, near and dear to my heart, they do have the Gyroplane coin too, which is pretty awesome.
Absolutely. That was special this year. It's a brand new coin.
Woo! So I'm ready. If you guys have one of these and throw it down at the bar, I'll get mine out before the last one drops.
There you go.
All right, awesome. All right, and so how you guys been doing here at the show?
It's been a great show. We've been doing our buy two get one free deal. A lot of people like picking up some gifts to bring home to their family or to other people, pilots back home, and it's been a lot of fun. We get to meet a lot of good people and tell a lot of good stories, hear a lot of good stories. It's been great.
Cool. And if the people are not at Oshkosh this year, how do they get a hold of you?
So we've got a website, aviationsoul.com. You can order all of our stuff. We ship. We can do expedited shipping. We can do gift boxes. We can do all sorts of different things. Instructor packs. Let us know. Aviationsoul.com.
Aviationsoul.com. These things are super cool. Go onto their website and check them out if you're not here at Oshkosh. And if you are at Oshkosh, come by their booth and check them out. All right.
Thank you guys for having us.
Thanks, man. We will see you.
Bye.